Let's say we have this quadratic equation here. So roots of equation would be x minus alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. So in this equation, so whatever you find alpha plus beta, what you would simply just put it into this equation, just replace. So alpha plus beta is equal to negative b over a, and alpha beta is equal to c over a. Now given, let's say we're given alpha squared plus beta squared. So this would be equal to alpha plus beta squared. And we say, okay, alpha plus beta squared is equal to, so this will expand, it's going to be alpha squared plus 2 alpha beta plus beta squared, because of alpha times alpha, alpha squared, alpha times beta, 2 alpha, alpha beta, again beta times alpha, which is alpha beta, then you add, gives us 2 alpha beta plus beta squared, because beta times beta squared. So, and we're going to have alpha plus beta squared plus 2 alpha beta. So we can see that this is the same as this. So we can simply make this a subject of the formula to get back to the original question. And therefore we're going to have alpha plus beta squared minus 2 alpha beta. Let's say we had alpha squared minus beta squared. So we'll do the same. This is equal to alpha minus beta squared. Then we say, okay, alpha minus beta squared will be equal to b squared should be equal to alpha squared minus 2 alpha beta, because alpha times negative beta is going to be negative alpha beta, and negative beta times alpha, that's going to be negative alpha beta, and you add them, it's going to be negative 2 alpha beta. Then negative beta times negative beta, that's going to be positive beta squared. So we have alpha squared plus beta squared minus 2 alpha beta. So we cannot make this a subject of a formula like we did before, because this is not exactly the same as alpha squared minus beta squared. So what we do is, since we know what alpha squared plus beta squared is from the previous question, and that is alpha plus beta squared minus 2ab to alpha squared, sorry, not to AB, minus again the 2 alpha beta, which is this one. So therefore we can then add these two and we will get alpha plus beta minus 4AB, 4 alpha beta. That's it. Let's try alpha cubed minus beta cubed. So this should be equal to alpha minus beta cube. And again we say, okay, alpha minus beta cube should be equal to alpha minus beta and alpha minus beta squared. So this should be equal to, so we've got alpha minus beta. And remember from the previous we found that alpha plus minus beta squared is alpha squared minus 2 alpha beta plus beta squared. So we cross multiply, or no, we multiply, so expand it. Alpha times alpha is alpha cube. This comes to alpha squared beta squared beta, and negative times negative becomes positive, so positive 2 beta alpha squared negative beta times positive beta squared, that's negative beta cube. So it's going to be equal to alpha cubed minus beta cube. So we add this and this is going to give us negative 3 alpha squared beta. We can add I didn't do alpha times beta squared, so it's supposed to be alpha beta squared here. So then you're supposed to add this and this. It's going to give us 3 alpha beta squared alpha cubed minus beta cubed, this cube, minus negative 3 alpha beta and alpha minus beta. We can see that this is similar to our original question here, so we can simply make this a subject of the formula and send this to the other side, and we're going to have alpha minus beta cubed plus 3 alpha beta alpha minus beta.